Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing my December empties. I didn't get through a heap last month, but there's still a little bit. So the first thing I used up was this bottle of St. Jack brush cleaner. So I literally ordered this and used it up within like a couple of days of having it because all of my brushes was so still like I had heaps left over from Halloween, and my brush cleaner had run out a little while ago, so they had just been stockpiling. I think I washed about, I would say, maybe close to like 300 brushes. Maybe. I don't know, it's hard to estimate. But for reference, this is one of my eyeshadow one of my eyeshadow brush pots, and I've got two of these. And then I've got like eyebrow brushes, face brushes, like highlighter, bronzer, all of that stuff. So I washed a lot of brushes with this. I actually really liked it. Just trying to think. So it was really easy to use. I do feel like maybe it didn't last as long as like a solid brush soap does because it is liquid. But either way, I still really liked it. I feel like it was super easy to use. It was quite quick as well, and it dries really fast. So all you do is like pour it out, literally spin your brush around it, and then it comes with a little cloth, and like you just wipe it off on the cloth, and that's it. So I do actually really like that. I'm definitely wanting to repurchase some more. Next thing I used up was the Briogeo Farewell Frizz smoothing shampoo. I do like this. I don't love the scent. Like it's not bad. It just smells kind of like, I don't know. Like it's just not scented, I feel like. But yeah, like it's alright. It's just like, you know, I kind of like a shampoo that smells nice, I guess. I do like this. It was so thin. It was really weird. Like, you know how shampoo and stuff's normally thick? Like, this was literally, like, watery consistency. But in saying that, it did actually lather really well. Obviously, this is only, like, a little thing. But I actually do really enjoy the shampoo. And I'm, what's the word? I want to buy more. I would like to buy more of that when I use up some other shampoos. So, yeah. And then the last thing I used up this month was the Way Scalp and Body Scrub. This one's in St. Bart's. I love this. I think it's so nice. I used it on my hair, or on my scalp. It smells so good. I actually really enjoy it, the smell. Oh, yum. And yeah, it's such a nice scrub. I just put it in at the start of the shower and kind of like work it in. Then I'll put a bit of shampoo with it to like kind of emulsify it, I guess, and like really get it into the scalp, and then I'll rinse it out, and then I'll put shampoo back in my hair. But yeah, I really liked this. I got this when I went away in September, so it's lasted me from September until now. So I feel like I got a fair few uses out of it. And this is only like the little tester thing, not tester, but like a little like travel size. This is 96 grams. Very excited to repurchase more of that as well. But yeah, I swear I had other stuff I used up this month, but anyway, I feel like everything's gotten mixed up since December, you know, crazy times. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.